Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 5th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We made money today, but it was kind of a frustrating day. You know, I have this new portfolio, and today was the first day we traded it. And today just started out gangbusters. I couldn't believe it. We had this one trade in China Sun Energy, just through the roof. And we had another new medical stock, LBMH, and that really took off. Anyway, at 30 minutes after the open today, we had $18,000 in open trade equity. I mean, it just really looked good. I was on cloud nine, and what happened is we ended up closing out over $4,500 in closed out trades, and we're carrying almost $2,000 in open trade equity. Now, normally that'd be a fine day. I wouldn't be complaining about this, but things really kind of melted down from where they were earlier in the day. You know, we have this happen sometimes, and it's always very frustrating. It's hard for me to not look at lost open trade equity as not real-time losses. So I just have a hard time looking at today and thinking, hey, we did pretty good today. But actually we did pretty good today. Anyway, and I think our new portfolio is off to a good start. So I really shouldn't complain. The Dow ended up down 68, pretty hard fall in the Dow. But it really wasn't a hard fall. It was kind of a soft fall, I would say. I think it's consolidating, and we had some good trades. Anyway, I'll show you the charts. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see the big slide down here from the top, but you can see how things are flattening out. Even though we had a down day today, down about 68 points, it doesn't have anywhere near the convincing kind of drop that we saw back here on those 2 days. And so I really think this thing is putting in a bottom. I think it could rally out of here very strongly. The scenario that I'm looking for is we have a negative opening, and then the market kind of slingshots out of that negative opening to make some real positive ground. If it had done that today, we would have made a lot more money than we did, but as I say, I really can't complain. Let me show you a couple of these new markets that we have that did so well. Of course, we're not out of this one. This is CSUN, China Sun Energy. And this market, we had bought this yesterday on a little pop-up, and it actually closed negative on us yesterday. But look at this thing, what it did this morning. I mean, this thing just exploded. And we are actually holding over $4,000 in China Sun Energy right now in open trade equity. But when this thing was up here, I think that was up over $9,000 if I'm not mistaken. So it really came back quite a bit, but again, we're holding it, and we'll be holding this tomorrow for at least 4 hours. And so I'm hoping this thing will come back some. And I don't know if I can hope that it's going to come up and take out those highs, but we can always hope. Anyway, it's a good trade no matter how you cut it. We can't complain about $4,000, almost $5,000 in this trade. I'll show you another one we did close out. This is a brand new market, LBMH. That stands for Liberator Medical Holdings. And this was a penny stock that has kind of risen from the ashes and trading at $3.50, it is no longer a penny stock. And we bought this thing yesterday on a pop right out of the open, and it kept going. It closed very nicely for us, and then it popped up some more this morning, and we didn't really get out on the high, but we're pretty darn close to the high. This market held very nicely, and we ended up closing out almost $5,000 in Liberator Medical Holding. So I'm very pleased with both these markets, CSUN and LBMH. Great new markets for us, and they look like they're going to do a good job. Anyway, that's the way it went today. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.